Hey guys, I was watching one of our Angler Stars videos and I was inspired. He was going on about these set of files he ordered that were made really badly, and he was trying to sharpen his nice dovetail saw, and he was saying how, if you see a product you like, you should make a video about it. If you see a product you don't like, you should make a video about it, so people stop buying bad stuff and voting with their dollars, and then we can have better quality products. So I was ordering some measurement tools from McMaster, and some of the stuff I got was, higher quality Starrett stuff, but they had, I guess, some sort of generic spring calipers. McMaster usually stocks pretty great kind of default brand stuff. It's funny they don't list the brands on their site, which is interesting. I guess the idea is that you assume that anything you get from McMaster car is quality, and they'll pick the brand. Sometimes I'd like to know. Sometimes you can see the brands for certain things, like measuring tools. You can see that it's a Starrett. These guys were pretty inexpensive, and so I should have known, but I didn't realize how terrible they were to be. Let's zoom in here. I mean, look at this. That's the edge. It's like, what the hell is this? Like, that is just like, the grinding on this thing is ridiculous. Come on, focus. There we go. Get there. Yeah, they're like not even level. They're not even straight. If you look at it edge on, like, what the hell is that? All like jacked up, not even straight. There's like a notch here where the spring goes in. It's all rough. It like doesn't look like it sits in there well. Also, this is the first thing I saw, and this is the telltale right here. It says PEC. I don't know what that stands for. If that's a brand or something of China or. But like, if you're gonna put a mark on one of these things, maybe line it up. Maybe like make it straight if you actually care. But clearly, whoever made this doesn't give a shit. And I didn't even unwrap this one because I could kind of see through the bag that it was about the same. I'm gonna try to send these things back, and I was looking on eBay for older Starrett ones. I mean, it's so disappointing, and I totally sympathize with what Wrangler Star was talking about. You buy something, you get it in the mail, sometimes you pay for fast shipping, and it's a piece of garbage. Like, your measuring tools should be the ultimate quality tools you have. Like, if you're going to spend money somewhere in your toolbox, it should be on measuring tools, because that will dictate everything else. If you have things laid out well, you can get by with, slightly inferior quality other tools. Because if you have a dead-on caliper or a dead-on micrometer, then you can measure your shitty router bit and know how much to compensate, so you'll still get a good cut. But I mean, this is just ridiculous, and it's really a shame that this is the brand that McMaster car carries. I mean, I think it was cheap. I mean, I think it was just like $7 or $8. So I'm sure it's made overseas. And I'm not knocking on overseas. Like, lots of companies can make high quality stuff overseas, but when they make it bad, they make it real bad because they probably don't have the same kind of legal system that would allow consumers to get up in arms about it. But I guess that's another rant for another day. So anyway, if you need a pair of garbage spring micrometers, right now you can get them for inexpensive on McMaster, and I love McMaster, and I hope that they switch, or they give you a warning, like, yeah, don't use this for anything that you care about. Anyway, see you later.